guys, good evening. Welcome to our channel V2V. For more updates, you can follow our channel in Telegram, Instagram, and Facebook. If you want the links, guys, just the links are available in the description. Just go through the description. Start our question. Here, the question number one. Just concentrated on the data. So here the question: value of A is 3 times of value of B. If value of C is 62.5% of difference between the value of A and B. Now, what is the value of C? Is what percentage of B? We need to identify that the value of C, what percentage of B. Okay, guys, see here there is a comparison between A, B, C. Here there is a comparison between the A is to B is to C. Now, see what is the comparison they given. Here, the value of A is 3 times the value of B. Value of A is 3 times the value of B means definitely the A is to B ratio. Just go through the A is to B ratio. A is to B ratio is 3 is to 1. So value of A is 3 times the value of B means the ratio of A is to B is 3. Now the value of C is 62.5%. Guys, 62.5% means we already know that 1 by 8 is equal to 12.5%. In the same way, 5 by 8 value exactly equal to 62.5%. The value of C exactly equal to 62.5% means C value exactly equal to 5 by 8 of difference between the A and B. The difference between the A and B exactly equal to 2 units. Now 2 become 4 times. Now we can get the ratio, guys. The ratio of A is to B is to C exactly equal to 3 is to 1 is to 5 by 4. Here the question. So we just find the ratio. What is the C ratio? C value in terms of B is what percent? Find the value of C in terms of C. Guys, C means C by B into 100. We want the C value in terms of B is what percent? Now see guys, C value is 5 by 4 and the B value is 1 into 100. Now the value becomes 5 by 4th of 100. 5 by 4th of 100 means 4 become exactly equal to 25%. So 25 5s are 125. See, now the value of C what percentage of B means the answer is 120. That is question number 2. So question number 2, the data is related to the time and work. Guys, if it is a time and work concept, there is information. Efficiency is always inversely proportional to the time. Remember guys, efficiency means the person completed per day work. Efficiency is the per day work. See, just concentrated. If any question regarding the time and work, just concentrated on the data regarding the efficiency and total. These are the 2 important parameters. Now see, here see the question. What is the data they given? Now A is 40% more than efficient than B. The efficiency is 40% more than B. If both can complete the work in 20 days. If A and B start work and do it for 8 days. If remaining work is completed by C in 24 days. Then find how many days C will complete the work alone. Now see guys. Here first of all 40% is C. 40% value means the fraction is 2 by 5. Now there is a efficiency they given C. Now the efficiency ratio of A is to B. Now A efficiency is 40% more than the B's efficiency. Means here the denominator value always be the B. Now B is equal to 5 units. Now A value is more value. How many more units you have? 2 units or more. Now the efficiency of A is 7 units. Means if both are working together per day, guys, if both are working together per day, they completed 12 number of units. What is the question? If both can complete the work in 20 days, if both complete the work in 20 days means here the total work exactly equal to 20 days and per day they completed 12 units. Now the total work is 240. Now the next one, see, and both are starts the work and they work for 8 days. Guys, if both initially starts working for 8 days, see both are working for 8 days means definitely they completed some portion of work. You need to identify that how much of portion they completed. Now A plus B, per day they completed 12 units. They're working for 8 days. They are completed 96. So out of 240, 96 units already completed. Now we left with a 144 units. Now the remaining work exactly equal to 140. Now these remaining work can completed by C in 24 days. Yeah. So these work is completed by C in 24 days means you just identify the C's efficiency. Now see guys, what is the C's efficiency here? So 24 become 144 means 6 times. Means they completed 6 units per day. The efficiency of C, they completed 6 units per day. Here the question, then how many days C will complete the work alone? Now see the total work is equal to 240. Now 240 units of total work can completed by C alone. And we already know that C completed 6 units per day. If we want they completed 240 units, so it takes for only 40 days. Now see the question number 3. The length of the rectangle is thrice the side of a square. So here there is a comparison between rectangle and square. And we already know that if it is a square, all the sides are equal. Length. Here rectangle means this is the length and this is the width. Opposite sides are equal. The rectangle. If all the sides are equal, it's a square. Now here the information. The length of the rectangle is exactly equal to 3 times the side, means the length value exactly equal to 3 times of. Now the difference between the perimeter of rectangle and square. Perimeter of rectangle and square means perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B and perimeter of square is equal to 4A. Now the difference is equal to 4. Now if they given as a breadth of rectangle, so breadth of rectangle they given as a B is equal to A. Now you can substitute here 2 into L can be substituted as a 3 times of A, 3A plus 8 minus of 4A is equal to 4. Now here 6a plus 16 minus of 4a is equal to 40. Now we left with a 2a is equal to 24. Now you can get that a is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 means side of the square is equal to 12 units. In the same way, length value exactly equal to 3 into 12. 3 12s are 36. Now here the question. Find the area of square. Area of square means a square. And we already know that each side of a square is exactly equal to 12. Now 12 into 12 is equal to 140. So 144 centimeters square. The correct answer. Next one. In a mixer, the ratio of milk and water is 7 is to 5. When 56 liters of milk is added to this mixer and the ratio of milk and water, it becomes 7 is to 3. Find the initial quantity of milk and water. We just identify that what is the initial quantity of milk and water. We need to identify. Now, in a mixer, the ratio of milk and water is 7 is to 5. Ratio of milk and water is 7 is to 5. Means here the milk and water exactly equal to the total quantity is 7x and the total quantity is 5x. When 56 liters of milk is added, we just added 56 liters of milk. Adding 56 liters of milk, now the ratio becomes 7 by 3. And we already know that 7 ones are 7, 7 eights are 56. Just cross multiply them. So 3x plus 8 threes are 24 exactly equal to 5x. Now you can get 2x is equal to 24. Now x value becomes. Now here the question, what is the initial quantity of milk and water? Now guys, the initial quantity of milk and water is 12x. Now 12 into 12, the total number of liters of 100. A man investing 8,400 at the rate of 4% is simple interest for 2 years and getting a total interest of 2016 rupees. Now see, here the principal is 8,400. Now they can get an interest of 2016 rupees and the time period is equal to 2 years. And what is the rate of interest? You need to calculate it, right? Because we don't know the value. Now, if we invested 6,000 rupees more, the amount is off of the previous rate of interest for 2 years. Just find out what is the interest get by the person. Now, see, in this data, see guys, in this data, we already know that the 2 years interest is equal to 2016. Why? Because rate of interest is always be the per annum. Rate of interest is always be the per annum only. Now, 2 years is equal to 2016 means its 1 year value become 1008, the 1008. Now here the question, we need to calculate a rate of interest. Rate of interest means interest per annum. Interest amount divisible by principal amount. Now the interest amount, see guys, what is the interest amount per annum? It's equal to 1008 divisible by principal is 8,400 into. Now guys, 84 ones are 84, we left with a 168, 84 twos are 168. Now you can get the rate of interest is 12. Yes. So by this information, we can get the rate of interest is equal to 12%. Now here the question, if the same principal 8,400, now you just take it as a rate of interest is 6% per annum for 2 years. And we already know the data guys. Every year the interest is always constant. It doesn't change guys by year by year. Now if it is a 6% per annum means for 2 years the rate of interest is 12% of 8,400. We just cancel here. Now we left with the 84 into 12. 84 tens are 840, 84 twos are 168. Now here the answer 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. It's a 1008. It's a 1008. Directly you can get the answer, guys. Why? Because we just decrease it. We just make it as the rate of interest is off of. Off of the rate of interest means you directly get the value per year. So per year interest exactly equal to half of the rate of interest. If it reduces the direct value, the answer is 160. You need to calculate it. If you understand properly, you can directly choose your option is 1080. Now see guys, there is a total there is a total 400 members. Listed three towns A, B, C. Out of total students, 20% is visited only town A. Guys, so there is a 400 members visited three towns means I can understand that the question is regarding the Venn diagram guys. Now this is the town A and this is the town B data and this is the town D data. Now there is a total of 400 members. Now here the information. Out of total students, 20% is visited only town A. 20% is data. We guys see, we already know that 100% is equal to 400. Now 10% is equal to 40, 20% is equal to 80. I am taking the data directly guys. Now the total number of persons who are visited only A is exactly equal to 80. The data of 80 guys. Now the next one. Now, students visited only town B is 15% is less than the student visited only town A, guys. Now, if you compare these one, 15% is students less when compared to the only town B, the town A. So, 15% is data, guys. 10% is equal to 8, 15% is equal to 12. So, when compared to the only town B visited, when compared to the A, 12 members are less. Now, this is the value of 60. Now, 18% of total students visited town C. 18% out of 400. 10% is equal to 40. 18% is equal to 72. 72 members only visited town C. Next one, student visited town both A and B, guys. Both A and B, but not C means they are discussion for this particular portion only. See, they clearly mentioned that, guys. So what they mentioned that the student visited town both A and B, but not C is 8 less than the student visited only town B. 8 members are less means the number of students who are visited AB only. This is the information represented for AB only. AB only is exactly equal to 60 members. Now the students who visited B and C, now they are discussing for B and C but not A guys. So they are discussing for these ratio. This is for only B and C. Is half of the students who visited AB but not C means that they visited only AB when compared to the AB, BC value is equal to half of. Now this is the value of 30 only. Now the students who visited A and C but not B. So A and C but not B means they are discussing for only AC portion. The value is half of the sum of the students who visited only town B on only town C. Only town B and only town C means 68 plus 72 is equal to 140. Now only AC value is equal to half of this town. Now half of this town means the data is equal to. Now you can get the data. Now here the question. Now the remaining student who visited all the three towns. So what we just find out who is the remaining person. What are the number we left? Now just go through the addition here. Guys, so this is the 80. Now out of 400 minus. If we want all together value, total minus remaining values. So 80 plus 60 is equal to 140, 208, 208 plus 100 is equal to 308, 308 plus 2 is equal to 310, 380 members. Now, who is the remaining value? The remaining value becomes, guys, that is the entire data. The remaining student who visited all the three towns exactly equal to 20. Now, see, guys, the question they given. Let's go through this diagram, go through the data. So, I just represent the diagram here. The A, B, C, 80, we just calculated already. 8, 22. Okay, there is 20, the 70, 20 is for 30 and 60. Give me the answer. Now find the total number of students who visited at least two of them, guys. At least can be represented for minimum to max. At least two or three, both are cases are valid, guys. Now see here the answer. 70 plus 50 plus 30 is that two students visited and three students visited is 20. Now 70 plus 30 is equal to 100, 160 plus 20 is equal to 180. The 180. Very good. Next one. The total students who visited town A is how much more than the total visited town C. Total visited town A. Now the town A data exactly equal to 80 plus 61, 80 plus 20, 100, 160, 230, guys. So that take it as the same B data here. So 60 plus 20 is equal to 80, 80 plus 30 is equal to 110, 178. Now here the question, what is, just find the difference. See, here we need 22 variables extra, now it become a 200 extra, we have a 30. Now the difference becomes 52. It's C, C, C. It's not a B set. No issues. Just find the value of C. So here the value 70 plus 30, 100, 170, 192. Now the difference become 230 and 192 is 38. Go to the next one. The total students who visited all the three towns together is what percentage? Total students who visited town B and C but not A. Guys, town B and C visited only but not A. B and C means B and C only. So here 20 is what percentage of 30? So 20 is all the students who are visited three towns divisible by. We required B and C but not A, guys. B and C but not A means it's represented for only BC portion. So 0, 0 cancel. 2 by 3 of 100, the value becomes 66. Now the total students visited only town C. Only town C, 72. Is what percentage less than the total student who visited only town A? Town A is 80. Now what is the difference, guys? 72 and 80 is 8% difference. And the last term in the question always be the denominator. 8 by 80 into 100. Now the value becomes 10. Now, Purvi, total student visited town A is how much more than the total student visited town C? Town A value, the entire A circle is how much more when compared to the entire C circle, Purvi? You just find the difference. Find the ratio between total student visited only town B and only town C. Town B and town C only 78 plus, sorry, 68 plus 72. Together to the number of students who visited only town A, 80. So sum of these values is equal to 140 is to 80. 0, 0 cancel. 2 7 are 2 4 are. Now the ratio becomes 7. Next go for the simplification. So just approximations. Just go through the calculation. 11.98 means it's a 12. 15.89 is a 16. Root over under the cube root of 215 means it's a 16. Divisible by root over 218 is the 17th square. Minus x divisible by 52 is multiple with a 2 and 53. We just subtracted here 53. Now the value becomes 0. So what is the value of x here? Now see 12 into 16 into 6 divisible by 17 exactly equal to x divisible by, guys. Here 53 you just represented for 52 plus 1. Now here 52 you just take it as a common here. Now why? Because see you can directly multiply. You wish, guys. Now 52 twos are 104. Now you just subtracted 53. Now we left with a 51. Now 17 ones are 17, 17 threes are 51. Now here the value. So 16 into 12, 16 tens are 160, 16 twos are 32, 192. Now 192 is multiple with the 18. Now see the 1920, 8 times 8 twos are 16, 8 nines are 72. Now see 192 plus 6 is equal to 198 is multiple with the 3 times. 8 threes are 24, 9 threes are 27, 29. Here the value becomes 590. The 590. The next one, 12.98 percentage means 13 percentage of 400 plus under the root value of x exactly equal to 2 divisible by 3 of 126. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 3 twos are 6. Again, if we just cancel here, so 4 tens are 4, so 13 fours are 52 plus root x exactly equal to 42 twos are 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. Now, under the root of value of x is equal to 84 minus 52. Now the value of 32. Now the value of x is equal to 32. Now 32 whole square means, guys, see, 3 square is equal to 9. So we already completed calculations in the previous session. So AB square means A square, 2AB and B square. Now here A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2. Now 3 square 9, 2AB means 2AB means 2 into 3 into 2, guys. See, 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12, write down 2, 1 carry forward and 2 square is equal to 4. The value becomes 1000. You know that directly you can choose your option. 567.93 less 455.97 minus of question mark is equal to 27.98 whole square. What is the value we need to calculate? You guys, get the next value 468, 456. Here it's a 14, here it's a 12, here it's a 1024. Now 1024 minus 6 exactly equal to 28 whole square. Now the value of x is equal to 20, 1024 minus 28 whole square. Now 1024 we already know, guys, 32 whole square minus 28 whole square. Now we already know that a square minus b square value. A square minus b square value is equal to a plus b into. Now 32 minus 28 is equal to 4. 32 plus 28 is equal to 60. Now 60 into 40 is equal to 2. See that 124.99 is the 125 multiple with 3 under the cube root of x divisible by 25 plus 6.02 is 6. 8.98 is 9 is exactly equal to 8 square. Now first of all, this is the value of 5. So 5 into x power 1 by 3 is exactly equal to a square 64 means 64. 8 square is 64. 9 6 are 54. Now x power 1 by cube exactly equal to difference between these numbers is equal to 10 divisible by 5 is equal to. Now x power 1 by 3 is equal to 2. The value of x is equal to 8. 2 cube is equal to 8. Now the next value, see, under the root of x plus 136 exactly equal to 5 by 8 of 320. 8 1 ja 8, 8 40 is over x plus 136 exactly equal to. Now the root over x exactly equal to 200 minus of 136 is equal to 6. Just find the value of 64 square here. So 6 square is equal to 36. So 2 into 6 into 4. 6 4 are 24, 24 2s are 48. Now the final value 4 square is equal to 60. Here 6904. It's a 4096. Now see the question number 16. A boat travels 110 kilometers downstream and come back upstream in total 32. The speed of stream is 62.5% less than the speed of boat and still find the speed of stream. Now we already know that 62.5% value becomes 5 by. Now guys, speed of boat, speed of stream. So speed of boat is equal to 8x. Speed of stream is 5 units less. Now the speed of stream is equal to 3. Now we already know that speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. So the time value is equal to distance by speed. Now the time is given for upstream time plus downstream. Now just go through the data. Here 32 exactly equal to 110. Upstream means again is the stream. Again is the stream value become 5x. Now along the stream is equal to 11x. That is the value we have. Now 11 ones are 11, 11 tens are 5 ones are 5, 522. Now 32 exactly equal to 22x plus 10 by x. Now 32 exactly equal to 32 by x. 32, 32 cancel, then we can get x is equal. Now here the question, what is the speed of this stream? Guys, speed of this stream value become exactly equal to 3x. So 3 into 1 is equal to 3 kilometer. And the question regarding the partnership model. Now see the 17. A and B invested the 20,000 rupees. Start a business. And B gets a total profit of 4,500. And the ratio of the between the profit B and total profit is 9 is to 6. Now find the amount invested by A if both A and B withdraw same period. Now we already know that the profit values depends on the investment into time period. Now guys, B gets the profit of 4,500. Information they given for profit. Now there is a ratio of profit B to the total profit is 9 is to 60. Guys, here we have a comparison. 9 units become 4,500. Now each unit is equal to 500 units. Now the total profit is equal to 16 into 500. 16 into 500 value become 8,000. The total become 8,000. Now out of 8,000, B's profit is 4,500. Then definitely A's profit is exactly equal to 3,500. Now we need to identify that sum of their investment. See guys, I just take it as, see, I just take it as A investment is X, B investment is 20,000 minus of X. Now here X into duration T, 20,000 minus of X into T. Now the respective profit ratio exactly equal to 3,500 divisible by 4,500. So no need to calculate it these amount. Directly you can take a direct ratio guys. Here out of 16 units, B value become 9 units. Definitely A value becomes 7. Now the time period is cancelled. Now here 9x is equal to 7 into 20,000 minus of 7x. Now here 16x exactly equal to 7 into 20,000. Now 4 4s are 16 or 5,000 times. Now again it's a 1,250 times. Now the value of x exactly equal to 7 into 150. 5 is a 35. 7 2s are 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. It's the value of 8,700. Guys, a train 120 meters long and crosses a pole 4.8 seconds. Then find the what time train will be crosses the platform. Whose length? 3 times the length of the train. Now see guys, length of the train is equal to 120 meters. Length of the platform now. Length of the platform is 3 times. So 3 times means 360. Guys, if any train crosses a pole, person or tree, a speed of train can be calculated. Speed of train is depends on length of the train divisible by time taken to cross that particular train crosses. A train crosses which platform or any other train. Any other train. Now here speed of train can be calculated. Speed of train is can be calculated. Length of the train plus length of the object divisible by t is equal to. Now here the question. A train crosses the pole in 4.8 seconds means 120 divisible by 4.8. Exactly equal to. It crosses by platform in how much? So 120 plus 360 divisible by t. Now 120 ones are 120, 124s are. Now the t value become 4.8 into 4 times. Value become 19. The 19th question. 5 years ago, Tina is 8 years younger than Ramesh. So sorry, 4 years ago, right? 4 years ago. There is a person Tina when compared to the Ramesh. The Tina is 18 years younger than Ramesh. Ramesh is X. So the Tina is X minus 18. Now, if the present is guys, so what is the present age of Tina now? X minus 18 plus 4 equal to X minus 4. The same way, Ramesh age is equal to X plus 4. Here, the present age of both the persons are 50 means X minus 14 x plus 4 is equal to 50. Now here 2x is exactly equal to 16. Now the value of x is equal to. Now here the question, find the ratio between the present ages. Present ages means 30 minus 14 is equal to 16. 30 plus 4 is equal to 30. Now 2 8s are 2 17s. Now the ratio become 8 is to 6. The shopkeeper mark up his article 40% is of above cost price. Guys, let's just take it as cost to price is equal to 100. Now it is increases by 40%. Now any cost price is rises, it become my market price. Now it is increases by 40% means now the value become 140. And gives two successive discount of 25% and 10%. Guys, here the first discount is 25% means now it become what is the value means 3 by 4th of the given value. Again, they given as a 10% discount. Second discount is equal to 10%. Now the value becomes 9 by 10. So it's a selling price. Now there is a selling price, guys. Now you just calculated here. 0, 0 cancel. So it's a 2 7 times. Now 2 times. What is the value here? So 9 7 is 63. 63 threes are 189 by 2 is equal to selling price. So finally they get a loss of 352. Loss means cost to price minus selling price exactly equal to 350. See here 200 minus 189 exactly equal to 11 by 2 exactly equal to 350. Now here 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 11 twos are. Now each unit is exactly equal to 64. Now find the cost price of an article. Cost price of article is equal to 100. Each unit is equal to 64. Now the value becomes 6000. Just observe that everyone just observe that how I'm doing the calculation. If you get a concept and calculation, you can easily solve this type of. This is for you. Just go through the question and post your answer in the comment section. Guys, you just find what is the number we can replace this in the question. The respective numbers are 100, 150, 375, 1312.5. Just go through the question. Just post your answer in the comment section.